Okay, hello. Today we have a 2018 Honda Civic LX stock radio. Today we are going to take the radio out, as I know a lot of you like to exchange the radios, or in fact, if you get angry like this guy did, need to replace it. So, let's go ahead and do that. So basically, this is a fairly easy job, and you only really need about 3 tools. You need a Phillips head, a pop tool. Plastic would be preferred, but I am going to use a flathead. So basically, this panel here comes out as well as this one. So right here, let's go into here. Pop this out. Comes out easy like that. And there's another pop up here to where you can get in. Pop that as well. Comes right out. Same thing on the other side. Just try not to damage anything, because that would not be good. So easy there. Pops there. Pops there. Easy does it. Okay, now the heater control, that has to come out. This one you can obviously pretty much just pop with your hands, but I don't want to do that to risk breaking anything, so just take it right here, pop that side, tab right here, and pop this side. And that, just pull it, and that comes right out. Okay, so that's out. Take out these. Sorry about the video, a little, flip it over, take out this tab here, and boom, those are out. Now there is the Phillips head screws there and there. Those are what you're going to be taking out. But first, this is part of a harness that clips right here, as you can see. So either way, I mean, if you want to try to get in there, pop the little tabs and pull. It's kind of hard to do that with holding a phone, so I advise not to do this while holding a phone. Pop the front one, get back there, pop the back one, and it comes out. So now you got that separated. Take your Phillips head. Got no light in here. Okay. Take your screws out. Now it would be cool if you have a magnetic one, so it just comes out easy like that. Put them in the tray so you'll remember. Okay, and then the radio, it has clips there, 2 of them, same on the other side. So I use my pry tool, kind of get in between right there. Just give it a little pop. Go to this side. Give it a little pop. Pop. And there she is. So if you ever need to find the part number or anything, right on top to replace it. Come back here. They have main harness, then other connectors, antenna, secondary harness. Just make sure you know which ones are which. So they just come out as so. Sometimes they're a pain in the neck. Okay. That one out. And last but not least, that's out. So those are all out. Radio is out. And in case you're replacing a stock radio, basically reverse process. Put the new one in, plug these in, make sure you put this tab back in, bolt everything down, put these back in, make everything secure, and you are good to go. And this is basically for a 2016 to a 2019 Civic LX. Thanks for watching.